Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a DIY that I did on a makeup case that I bought from Temu. I'm trying not to make the video too long, but please enjoy. I'm going to do a little voiceover telling you what I'm doing and let me know how you like it. Enjoy! So this is the makeup bag. I actually purchased two of them. The smaller one I will show you later on in the video, but this one here will fit me better. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, the larger size will fit me better. What I'm going to go ahead and do is remove the pieces. I went to the Dollar Tree. I actually did that in Texas. What I was visiting my friend. So I went to the Dollar Tree and got this mat right here. It's a placemat. My thought process was if anything spill in there, I could easily wipe it out than having to wipe the canvas or wash in the bag. So I'm thinking about prevention. I took out all the pieces that was inside of it. And you see how flimsy it is. I could just, I didn't want my makeup beating around. So I decided to stabilize it by cutting the box and getting a surface that could fit inside of it snug. So I did not end up using that box. I ended up using a bigger box. So this is what I did. I cut the mat to fit, cut the cardboard to fit. So now I'm going to take my makeup from this rinky-dink bag that's been very faithful to me and transfer my makeup now. I end up leaving that bag in Texas, y'all, so my friend could throw it away. And from this, that is all stained up and beat up, and that's where I kept my palette. Everything plus will fit inside of this bag. And this organized makeup bag. So here I have some primer, and I'm gonna put all my primers together. I'm gonna try to put all my primers together, all my makeup together, all my foundation, I mean, and on. And when I show you guys the second one that I buy, it seemed like a little bit too much, but I literally travel with most of my makeup. So I want to show you the first one that I bought and then the second one, so you can see why I increased on the size. And yes, I do travel with all of this makeup because I don't know what look I want to create. I don't know. I actually use it as my regular makeup bag and my travel makeup bag. So not everything, but most of everything. What I will do is maybe switch up the palette. Maybe, like when the seasons change, you change your makeup. Maybe that what I'll switch out and put in my stash. But let me show you. So I have it set up on here. So I might have to bring the screen down where I will not be in view. But let me see if I could show you like this. Let me bring it in. So I'm going to show you the video on what my thought process was. Let me step out of frame a bit. So this was the makeup bag that I purchased from Temu. At a smaller size, it would not have worked for me. Even though at a smaller size it's very much more sturdier than the bigger one. So what I had to do to make this sturdy for me, let me just open it and show you. This is the smaller one, and it has a little flap on it, and it has the compartments for like your brushes and stuff. It also have a zipper area here that I guess you could put like palette or whatever you desire. So then it have all these compartments, and they are removable. Yeah, they are removable, and you can see how sturdy they are. See? You can see how sturdy they are. Yes. So this is the way the other one is. And it has the zippers, because it could zip from any side. But this one, I'm going to show you a video on how it looks, because I'm doing it kind of backwards, but I just want to share with you what I did. So this is the new makeup bag. Now, this, compared to this is twice the amount of this. And I wanted everything. I could have gotten another one after I purchased this and I seen it was too small. I could have purchased another one. But I thought to myself, I like seeing all my stuff when I'm putting myself together. So let me see if I could open this without it small. So this one has the same type zipper as the other one. And this is the way this one looks. Now, it has the compartments as the other one. It has the compartments. And I'm able to travel with most of the stuff that I usually travel with, or doing my everyday makeup. So I have my mist, different foundation. Maybe I don't like how this one deoxidize on me according to the temperature or the weather where I am. I bought this here, this e.l.f. product. This is from Walmart. I ended up buying 2 of them. I have to take it back. And I was able to like put all the stuff that I feel like I will be able to use and going to use. I have my shimmer powder, my setting powder, foundation. Like, I have everything in here. And there's a little compartment here that you could put your lipstick. I have my how you call it, highlighting powder. I have, a little extra sponge. Everything fit here for me. And this is the slot for your brushes. Now, I do different type looks, and this would not have held all my brushes for me. I even have my eyebrow trimmer. Like, everything fits in here. Everything fits in here. I love it. I love it. I'm going to show you, in order for me to use this, the bottom of this, unlike this one is sturdy. The bottom of this one was a bit kind of flimsy. So I'm going to show you, you're going to see in the video how I prep it together to get mine to be sturdy. I use a piece of cardboard in the bottom and a Dollar Tree mat. Listen, necessity, the mother of all types of invention, and that's what I was doing. Also, this have a second zipper. Let me make sure everything is in here. And the flap, this flap protects your stuff. So there's a second zipper. Let's open this one. There is a second zipper that you could put more stuff in here. So I didn't use 2 of the compartment pieces, so I'm just sticking it here for now. It also have like a net here that you could put some extra stuff. I think that's where this should go. A net here for some extra stuff. It also have like a little strip here that you could maybe put like a mirror or something in here. I just think this is so neat. I've been trying makeup cases for years when I travel, and I think this one is the best one that I have gotten so far. So apart from this, there's also right in here like a side zipper. When you lift up the flap, there's a side zipper, and that's where I keep my palette. I keep my palette in here and my box of lashes. And anything that is like, want to travel with it, but it's a little bit too long. And they also have like a side zipper. So I thought this was a great idea, and I'm sharing it with you guys because this is something that's working for me, and maybe it could work for you too. So enjoy this video. I am going to show you how I was able to make this be sturdy because the bottom of it was not sturdy. So I put cardboard on the inside, and you guys will get to see she traveled with too much makeup. So bye for now. See you in the next video.